What's up, everyone? Fedora Linux 44 just dropped, and it's packed. New kernel, new desktops, a huge win for gamers, and a milestone for the whole Linux ecosystem. Let's break it all down fast. At its core, Fedora 44 runs on the Linux 6.19 kernel, the latest and greatest. The flagship Workstation Edition ships with GNOME 50, while the KDE spin gets Plasma 6.6, which now defaults to the Plasma login manager for a cleaner out-of-the-box experience. Beyond the desktops, there's automatic DTB selection for ARM64 EFI systems, NICs, package manager support, a DNF5 backend for package kit, and persistent overlay support when flashing to USB sticks. Solid quality of life all around. Now, the headline for gamers: Fedora 44 enables the NTSYNC kernel module for wine and gaming packages. NTSYNC is a kernel-level sync primitive that reduces CPU overhead and improves frame timing for Windows games running through Wine and Proton. In plain English, games run smoother, and this is a meaningful upgrade. The Fedora Games Lab Edition also got a full makeover. It's dropped XFCE and moved to KDE Plasma, so the gaming-focused spin is now modern both visually and under the hood. The developer toolchain has been comprehensively refreshed. We're talking GCC 16.1, LLVM22, Go 1.26, Ruby 4.0, PHP 8.5, RPM 6.0, and CMake 4.0, among others. Updated compilers mean better optimized software for everyone, even if you never touch a terminal. There's also a big one buried in the changelog. Fedora 44 is the first Fedora release where every single package build is reproducible. That's a genuine milestone for open source security and trust, and it's been years in the making. A few more worth mentioning. The Anaconda installer is cleaner. A post-install Plasma setup app lands for KDE users, and the Budgie spin now ships the Wayland-only Budgie 10.10. Grab it right now at fedoraproject.org. Live ISOs are available for GNOME, KDE, XFCE, Cinnamon, Budgie, Mate, LXQT, and more. Already on Fedora 43? Just run DNF system-upgrade and you're good. Link to the upgrade guide is in the description. Fedora 44 is a genuinely strong release. NTSYNC alone makes it worth the upgrade if you game on Linux, and reproducible builds are a big deal for the community long term. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe if you're new, and drop a comment. What feature are you most excited to try? I'll see you in the next one.